Do you know that you can add a pinned post to your profile now on Facebook? How cool is that? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then stick around because right after, I'm going to give you ideas of what to actually pin on your profile. If you're running a business on social media, you don't want to miss these ideas. My name is Steph. I love helping network marketers further grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that actually work. Hit that like button. If you have a tutorial you want me to do, let me know in the comments and let's dive into this.
So it's super simple. Just gonna pop open Facebook. Here I am, main page. I'm gonna go to the hamburger menu in the bottom right-hand corner, hit that to get to my profile. Boom, and then here I am on my profile, and you're not gonna see an announcement or anything about pinning a post. So here is me with a video that I made advertising a lead magnet. This would be a good one to pin, to draw attention to when new people are hopping on my profile. So I'm just gonna hit these three dots in the upper right-hand corner. When I hit those dots, now you're gonna see all these different options pop up. So it's been normal to have like save video, edit post, privacy, all these things here. But now you can click the button that says pinned post. And it's gonna let you know your post has been pinned to the top of your timeline. And so then the cool thing is when people hop over to your profile, and then they scroll down to check you out, the first thing they're gonna see on your feed is this. So it's a great way to just let people know what you're up to. And that is how to pin a post on your profile.
So that's how to add a pin post on your profile, but what should you pin in that post? First up, how about a lead magnet? Have you created one for your business? I just pinned mine. Great way to build your email list, which if you don't know about email marketing, check out this video because email marketing is smart marketing. A lead magnet just makes sense because you're offering value to your network and in return, you get their email. Idea number two, are you running a free 5-day challenge anytime soon? The pinned post is a great place to put your announcement promo for that challenge. One of the first things new connections are gonna see when they're scrolling down your profile. Number three, are you trying to grow your YouTube channel? Like me, that pinned post on your profile is a great place to direct traffic to the social media platform that you're working to grow. Show them the value that you're bringing to your YouTube channel in that post so they know why they actually would want to go there, subscribe, and follow your videos. Number four, use it as an announcement. Maybe you don't have a business, but maybe you and your husband are pregnant. Great. Use that as the announcement for, hey, it's a girl, hey, it's a boy. Did you just get engaged? That would be a great place to put it. So when people who haven't caught up with you in a while go to your profile to maybe see what's new, boom, right away they're gonna see, oh wow, she's engaged. Or if you're a business owner, did you just launch a course? What's going on that's new? Use that as the announcement section for a new course or new product. Which brings me to number five. If you're in a network marketing business, likely you're launching some new products. Use the pinned post as an area to highlight the new product. Maybe you have new products every week, or maybe it's just once a month or a couple times a year. Utilize that pinned post as a place so people know where they can see the latest and greatest that you're bringing to the table. Tip. People don't really care about what your product looks like or what it's called, but they do care what it will do for them and the problem it solves. So I recommend creating a post or a video that's full of valuable content that would help your target customer solve a problem. If you include that information, they're gonna wanna keep reading and see what else is going on your profile. Number six, are you working on growing your business page on Facebook? Use the pinned post as a clear place to direct traffic to your business page. The cool thing is that the pinned post can be any type of format. So it could be a live video, pre-recorded, screen recorded, you name it. So get creative with the way you deliver that content. Number seven, do you have a free group where you're growing your business? Use the pinned post to direct people to it. Remember to lead with what's in it for them and not make it about you. Number eight, do you have a blog or website? Use the pinned post to draw attention to it. Facebook downgrades content that have links leading people off. So when you're posting about that regularly, it's probably not going to get that many eyes on. But the cool thing about the pinned post is that you get to choose that it's going to stay first and foremost and present. It's going to get more eyes on it than it normally would. Number 9, how about a personal update that maybe your friends or family needs to see? If you're going through a hard time, someone died, passed away, is sick, the pinned post can be a great place where people can find out an update on your life. Number 10, testimonials. Social proof is so important when it comes to doing business. So make a cool post where you include maybe screenshots of comments or all different testimonials that people have shared about you and your business, and then make that your pinned post and let it do the talking for you. And number 11, a get to know you post. When people land on your profile for the first time, you want to make a great impression. A get to know you post that's pinned to the top of your profile. In it, you could just talk a little bit about yourself, your passion, give people the full picture. Don't just talk about your business. And then you can make a cool little slideshow that just goes through a few different pictures of your life. If you don't know how to put something like that together, check out this video, how to make awesome videos on your phone in less than 5 minutes. So let me know in the comments, which idea are you going to use for your pinned post on your profile? Are you going to use a lead magnet, direct people to a 5-day challenge, advertise your YouTube channel, make an announcement, draw attention to a new product or special of the month, drive traffic to your business page, grow your inner circle and drive people to your free Facebook group, drive traffic to your website or blog, use it as a place for a personal update to your friends and family, add social proof to your profile using testimonials, or pin a get to know me post so people can learn more about you. And that's all I got. If you want 15 unbeatable ideas of how I get 5 to 10 prospects reaching out to me every day on social media, I want you to go to this link. I'll drop it and put it as the pinned comment of this video so you can get more leads and get people excited about your products and your business opportunity. In the meanwhile, check out either of these videos, tutorials, if you haven't already. And if there's something that I haven't made on this channel that you don't know how to do on social media, let me know in the comments and I'll make that tutorial for you. Until then, I'll be back next week with another new video.